Hi everyone, welcome to CyberSafe by Dami. Today I'm diving into Wi-Fi security, teaching you how to protect your home network, secure your devices, and set up a safe space for your family. Let's get started. In today's world, almost everything connects to the internet. Phones, laptops, TVs, even smart fridges. But without proper security, your home Wi-Fi can be an easy target for hackers. Let's make sure that doesn't happen to you. First, you need to access the admin portal for your Wi-Fi router. This is where you manage your Wi-Fi settings and secure your network. Look for a sticker on your router. It's usually on the back or underside. The sticker will display the default IP address, something like this, and the admin username and password. Once you have that information, open your browser and type the IP address into the address bar. Log in using the admin username and password from the sticker. You'll now be directed to the admin portal. From here, you can manage a range of settings to secure your home network and take control of your Wi-Fi. One of the first things you should do is change the default admin username and password. These are the credentials that allow you access the admin portal. Here's how. From the admin portal, go to the admin settings or system settings bar. Look for the option to update admin password and username. Enter a username and a strong password. Ensure you use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for added security. Save your changes. Once you've set your new admin password, it's important to keep it safe. Use a password manager to securely store the password. Also, bookmark the admin portal page in your browser to quickly access it in future without having to search for the IP address. Next, navigate to Wi-Fi settings to change the default Wi-Fi name, that's the SSID, and password. For Wi-Fi name, use something unique but not personal and set a strong password using at least 12 characters and a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Avoid easy guesses like password 123. Now let's choose the type of encryption for your network. Encryption is like putting a lock on your Wi-Fi. It ensures that only people with the correct password can access your network. The two most common types of Wi-Fi encryption you'll see are WPA2 and WPA3. WPA2, which is Wi-Fi Protected Access 2, is secure and widely used, while WPA3 is the newer version, offering even stronger protection. It's designed to make your Wi-Fi more secure against hackers, especially in situations where they try to guess your password. To set this up, select WPA3 in the security settings if your router supports it. If not, stick with WPA2 like I'm doing, which is still very secure. Once you've chosen the encryption type, save the changes. Now, let's talk about guest Wi-Fi. This is a separate network for visitors to use. Setting up a guest network helps protect your main network by keeping your personal devices and data secure. Most routers allow you to set up a guest network directly from the admin portal. Here's how. Log into the admin portal like we did earlier. Look for the guest network option under Wi-Fi or network settings. Enable the guest network and give it a name. Set a password for the guest network, something simple but secure. Save the settings and you're good to go. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, comment with your Wi-Fi question, and subscribe to more cybersecurity tips.